Hey, hello, what's up, guys? Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, today I'll be sharing with you another powerful strategy that works. I've tested it. This strategy has been working for me for some time now. And my previous videos, I promised that I'll be sharing different strategies for you guys, so that you be catching spikes easily. All my strategies are to catch spikes. I don't advise you trade, scalping the markets in boom or crash. You should be aiming for the spikes. The spikes are more profitable, and once you are aiming for the spikes, you are sure of getting on top profit daily. Yeah, there are some rules you need to be following. You get it, and the rules are simple. You need to identify the trend of the market. You should be able to identify if the market is in a downtrend or uptrend. You get it. For us to catch the spikes in boom, the price needs to be in an uptrend. You need to identify that price is in an uptrend. Yeah, that's when you are going to catch a lot of spikes. That's when you're going to be in massive profit when you are trading with the trend. While in crash, price needs to be in a downtrend. Okay, price needs to be in a downtrend for you to be able to catch spikes. You need to be able to identify that price is in a downtrend. You can see this is a downtrend. You need to be able to identify this. Yeah, and also like I said, boom need to be uptrend. You can see this an uptrend, and that's a very good confirmation. And when you identify the trend in boom and you see the price is going up to the upside, you'll be more confident that you're going to catch a lot of spikes and you're going to make huge profit. Yeah, without wasting much of your time, let us go down to what we have here. I'll be explaining everything we have here, and I want you to watch this video to the end because I'll be sharing the settings for these simple indicators. We have only two indicators here, and these are very, very simple indicators. I'll be explaining to you how to use them right now, and also I'll be sharing the settings with you at the end of this video. Without wasting much of your time, let us go down. Yeah, guys, you're welcome back. Yo, let me right now explain, because I've already told you trade with the trend. Okay, you trade with the trend. As you can see right here, right now, this is an uptrend. Sorry, let me take that again. This is an uptrend. You can see it. These are simple things that we need to identify before taking before executing any trade. Once you open your phone, just be able to identify first the trend before you do any other thing. It's the trend of the market that will help you to know the direction that prices are going. The direction, though, if you identify that price is in an uptrend in boom, yeah, you should be able to know that you should be looking for buying opportunities only. That is what you should be looking for. There's no point you looking for selling opportunities when price is in an uptrend in boom. You should be looking for buying opportunities. How do we get buying opportunities? This indicator is called parabolic SAR. You get it? This dotted indicator is called parabolic SAR. So after one spike in an uptrend, you should see after one spike, you want to see that the parabolic SAR is facing the direction to the upside. You get it? Facing the direction to the upside. That's number one confirmation. No, that's number two confirmation. The first confirmation is for you to identify the trend of the market. Why the third confirmation is for you to check your awesome selector. You need to see this green I'll call it candles. These green candles are out already. You get it? You need to see these green candles are out. This is a good confirmation that prices are going to spike. And you can see when these parabolic SAR were facing this direction, after confirming that price in an uptrend, you can see the direction the parabolic SAR is facing. And of course, you can see the spikes that came. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll be showing you more example. The secret about this is just for you to identify the trend of the market. After identifying the trend, so the rest, these are very simple confirmation. You just need to check before you enter your market. You can see this after this spike came, the parabolic SAR were facing to the upside, and you can see this big spike here this year. Meanwhile, you also go to check this place to confirm the awesome oscillator. What is happening here? You need to see the green candles are out before you take your trade. After you've seen this parabolic SAR is facing to the upside, and also the trend of the market is to the upside. I'll be showing you a lot of examples. You can see this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend, but you see this is a downtrend, but there were spikes inside the downtrend. It's not advisable for you to be looking for buying opportunities when price is in a downtrend. In boom, it's not advisable, no matter the numbers of spikes that you see there. So when price in an uptrend, you should be concerned about buying opportunities. You should be looking for buying opportunities. Let me show you more examples of uptrend. You can see this is a very good uptrend. This to the upside, you can see it. Let me show you the direction. You can see this a powerful uptrend. What can you see right here? You can see the parabolic SAR. After this spike, parabolic SAR was facing to the upside. Then the next confirmation you check, you need to come and check your awesome oscillator. You make sure that these green candles are out already, and also that's when, or after all these confirmations are made, that's when you enter. Understand your entry point. After you've confirmed this one, you've confirmed this two, and you've also confirmed the trend of the market. This is a strong uptrend. That's when you will enter this trade confidently, and this is a very big uptrend. See, price is to the upside, and like I said, after one spike, you make sure you monitor this parabolic SAR. You make sure these dotted lines are facing to the upside, and what also you also check this awesome oscillator and confirm the green candles are out. This is a great confirmation. This is a very simple strategy that is going to help you. All my strategies are simple, very simple. You can see this is just 2 indicators, and it's very powerful. It's very, very powerful. You need to test it first on your demo account. No matter how valid a strategy is, you need to test it first on your demo account before proceeding to your real account. You get it? You can't be using your real account to test a strategy. It's not advisable. You can see this trade is uptrend, and what I say, you check your parabolic SAR. You make sure the 2 dotted line is to the upside, and also you check this awesome oscillator. You make sure the candles are out. Let me also show you examples. Boom 500, because people they ask me after showing example on boom 1000, what about 500? It's the same thing. 500 and 1000 is the same thing. Okay, they work the same way. You can see this trend is to the upside. Then you can see the parabolic SAR after this a spike. You can see the parabolic SAR facing to the upside. I can also see the awesome oscillator here. The green candles are out here. You can see it. The green candles are out here. You can see this is a good uptrend. Identifying trend is a very nice thing, and it's very important. Identifying the trend of the market is very very important. If you don't know how to identify the trend of the market, is you're going to have little challenges. Catching the spikes. You know, identify the trend of the market is very very important and it's key. You get it? So you can see this is clear uptrend. After this spike, the parabolic side will face it to the upside, and you can also see the awesome oscillator. These candles, these green candles, they came out, and this is just powerful. This is powerful and simple. After this spike, this first spike, you can see the parabolic side were facing to the upside, and you also go down, check your awesome oscillator. You can see your awesome oscillator here. The green candles are out already. But let me show you examples of crash. Crash is the opposite of boom, and boom is the opposite of crash. You get it? Right now you can see this present this market right here. This price right next to the downside. It's to the downside. So after this first candle, after this first candle, this spike, you can see the parabolic side was facing to the downside, and what do we have here? The red candles are out. The red candles, you can see that they are out already. So you can see the number of spikes that came: 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Just make sure you're able to identify the trend. After this spike, this massive spike, probably surface it to the downside. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and check the awesome oscillator. You can see the awesome oscillator here. You can see the red candles are out already. Let me show you more example. Just the idea is using these simple indicators as a guide for you to be able to catch spikes, and you'll be very profitable when you use these simple indicators to make confirmations before entering your market. You can see after this spike, the parabolic SAR was facing to the downside. You need to be patient. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The idea is when this spike, after this spike, you wait for the parabolic SAR to be facing your direction to the downside. Another spike will definitely come, like another massive candle. You can see this here. If you are not patient enough, after this 1, 2, 3 candles, you will leave the market. So when you leave the market, then this spike will come. You will not be regretting. Had it been known, I will have waited for some time before I could leave the market. No, you need to be patient. Okay? And also follow proper risk management. Don't over leverage your account. You have a small, okay, let me say like $10. Some people, they trade with $10. You have $10. You want to be opening more than one position in a $10 account. That's not possible, and it doesn't work that way. You just open one position and let price run. Catching spikes little by little. That $10, you can raise it to 20, from 20 to 30, from 30 to 50. You shouldn't be greedy in the market. You shouldn't be greedy. It's not advisable. You can see this is a clear downtrend. Price to the downside. Okay, price is to the downside. After it all started from here. After this spike, you can see the parabolic SAR was facing to the downside, and also my awesome oscillator was. You can see the red candles; they were out already. You can see the numbers of spikes that came: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More going down. More candles are popping out. You can see this. It's very simple and very easy to understand. It's just in the practice. You just need to practice and give yourself some time before you start trading on live account. can see this this spike. After this spike, the parabolic side will face it to the downside. You get it? So you also check the awesome oscillator. You see the awesome oscillator, the red candles are out here, and you can see the spikes that came alongside with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you just have to be patient. You need to be patient. Okay, you need to be patient for everything to 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 be in place for you. You get it? Just confirm your trend. Make sure your price is in a downtrend, and also confirm price is in an uptrend. Confirming the trend will help you very well. I know some people will come to my comment section and ask, how do I identify the trend? I offer a first I offer lessons for those that are interested. You can message me with my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is in the description below, and you can also reach me through my Telegram channel. You can also contact me through my Telegram channel, and also my WhatsApp number is in the description below. If you're interested to know much, I must not be your mentor. I must not be the one to teach you. I must not be the one to to give you signals. So, but I'll be very happy if I be the one to offer these services to you and also help you in your trading career. This is very simple. After this spike, you can see the parabolic side was facing to the downside, and you can also see here the awesome oscillator. The awesome oscillator candles red is out. You get it? This strategy is very simple. It's very simple, and I just want you to go and practice. Open your phone, just practice this that I've told you, and you will see how powerful and how perfect this strategy is. Mind you, I always say, practice with your demo. Don't practice with your demo for just 2 days. Practice with your demo for at least a week before, even though you're a professional, before trading with your real account. Yeah. Well, right now I'll be sharing this. I'll be be showing you the settings for these simple indicators that I've just explained. Just 2 simple indicators. This parabolic SAR, you can get parabolic SAR here. You can see parabolic SAR. The settings is on default settings. You can change the color. You can put any color of your choice. Put any pieces of your choice and just click done. It will appear on your chart. Then indicator window 1. You look for awesome oscillator. You can see it, the awesome oscillator. The just what was it called, default setting. Just leave it on the default setting. You don't change anything. Then just click done. You'll see everything will appear on your chart. Oh, wait a minute. I will change my pixel right now, and also I'll change this. Okay, I've done that. Done. This is very simple. I want you to practice, and practice. So if you have any question, again, before I forget, I checked my YouTube channel and I saw a lot of comments. What zoom level? I don't know. Just you can see my zoom level. Okay, let me start from here. 2, 3. Let me do it again. This is 1. Sorry, this is 1, 2, 3. I think the 3rd zoom level. Yeah, I'm comfortable with this. I use this and I like this. Use the 3rd zoom level for you to to avoid those zoom level questions and all of that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, and remember to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Tutu Forex is my name. Enjoy your day.